Lenovo LOQ Intel Core i7 14th Gen HX plus RTX 4060. Intel Core i7 processor 14700HX 20 cores, 33M cache, up to 5.50 GHz. RAM 16GB, DDR5, storage 1TB NVMe GEN4, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB TGP 115W. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080, IPS 300 nits anti-glare, 100% sRGB, 144 Hz, G-Sync. Camera 1080p shutter. Right. USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort 1.4 plus 140W power delivery. Headphone, mic combo. E-shutter button, rear. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. Ethernet, RJ45. HDMI 2.1. Power in. Keyboard 1.5mm key travel. White backlight, optional. 4-zone RGB, 100% anti-ghosting. Swappable keycaps, set of 4. Battery 4-cell 60WH. Super Rapid Charge Pro, 40% in 10 minutes, 80% in 30 minutes, 100% in 60 minutes. Wireless 2x2 Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX. Starting from Bluetooth 5.1. Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 laptop's efficient and fast charging battery. Super Rapid Charge Pro offers a 10-minute boost to 40% capacity, 30 minutes to 80%, and 60 minutes to 100%. With 140W Type-C charging support, you're always ready for gaming or academics.